Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hi, it's Coach Rob from Kids Academy, and today we'll be talking about the most important word in chess, and that is checkmate. Checkmate is the whole purpose of the game. It's how a player wins, it's how a player loses. Now, we concluded our last video on check by referring to CPR and saying that if a king cannot get out of CPR, then the king is in checkmate. The king cannot be saved. He'll be captured on the next turn. Well, in chess, we don't capture kings, so if the king is being attacked and cannot get safe, we simply say checkmate. And checkmate means it is the turn before we would capture the king. No sense to actually perform that move. It's just the king is trapped. There's no way out. CPR does not work. It's checkmate. It's game over. In this position, white just played the move queen b7, attacking the black king. There's no way for black to block. There's no way for black to run away. But black can do a capture move. King takes b7, gets the king out of check. However, if we have a slight variation of this position, and we'll put this white king on c6 now, well, now it's completely different. Not only can black not run away, black cannot capture or protect. And you might be asking, well, what's changed? Why can't the king capture the white queen in this position? And the answer is because now the queen is protected. The white king is helping the queen, reaching out and protecting the queen while the queen is doing the attack. So there's no way out of this. Black cannot run away to any of these squares. Black cannot capture the queen because then kings would be touching. The king is still under attack. And black cannot protect. There's no way out. We call this checkmate, and it's game over. At this point, the two players would shake hands. If they wanted to play again, they'd begin to reset the pieces. Otherwise, they could pack up the chess set. Let's look at some other examples. Let's see. Instead of the king protecting the queen, what if we have a position like this? We'll put a white rook on b2, a white queen on b4. Well, white can do a very similar looking checkmate. Queen b7 mate. Instead of the white king protecting the queen, who is helping the queen now? Who is protecting the white queen? It's the rook. This rook is aiming up, protecting the queen. The queen's attacking all these squares. There is no way for the black king to be safe. It is checkmate. How about a rook move? Could white play a rook move in this position and have it still be checkmate? Well, the answer is yes. There's only one rook move to lead to checkmate, but it is the move rook a2. And I want you to pause the video and think for a moment, how is this checkmate? And you're thinking about not only how are we attacking the black king, but how are we attacking all the squares around the king to make it so black cannot do a capture, a protect, or a runaway. So we know rooks can go on the files up and down, so this rook is attacking every square on the A file. It's easy to see that this king is in check. But why is this checkmate? How do we know? Well, let's see. Black doesn't have any pieces to block, so there's no way to protect. This king is too far away. It cannot capture the queen, it cannot capture the rook. There's no way to do a capture. And let's look at runaways. Is king a7 a safe square? Well, no, it's not, because we know this rook is aiming at a7. Let's look at our sideways moves. How about king b8, or diagonally down, king b7? Are those safe squares? Well, the answer is no. We have a queen here controlling both of them. So not only are we attacking all of the squares on the A file, the queen is controlling all the squares on the B file, the king is under attack, and there's no way out. Checkmate. What if we have a position? Let's see, I'll put the king here, I'm gonna put this here, and I'll put a knight here. Similar idea. The queen is going to perform the checkmate, and the knight will be supporting the queen or helping the queen as she does her job. What is white's move here for a checkmate in 1? Well, the answer is queen e7. The knight is protecting the queen, helping the queen, supporting the queen, and the queen is attacking all these squares, not only around the king, but also the square the king is on. The queen is aiming at e8 as well. There is no way to capture, there is no way to protect, there is no way to run away. Now, all of these positions we've seen involved a checkmate from the queen, but of course, any piece, with the exception of the king, can do checkmate. Pawns can give checkmates. Knights and bishops give checkmates. And of course, rooks and queens are capable of giving mate as well. And when I say mate, that's actually the short, abbreviated name for checkmate. You might hear people refer to winning a game as checkmate. You might hear people say the word mate. They both mean that one king is under attack and cannot get safe. So be on the lookout for not only attacking kings, but ways to eliminate the 3 ways your opponent can save the king. If they cannot do a capture, if they cannot do a protect, and they cannot do run away, well, you no longer have a check, but you have a checkmate, and congratulations, you just won. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.